Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going over how I made $460 per Apex account trading NQ today. On this channel we're going to be going over daily trading recaps so that I can document all my trades, so that I can learn better, get better, so that you guys can learn better, get better, and understand the market more. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So our first trade was this nice retest of this level right here. So how did we find our level? Well, for all my key levels, I go on the 15-minute and on the hourly. And the two main confluences I mark out every single day, no matter what, are previous day low zone and previous day high zone. So the top wick to sort of this the next body candles of the previous day high on the 15-minute, and the same idea with the lows. And then on the hourly, key level here, nice big wick connecting to these candles. Hourly, I found this on the 15-minute. Rejection here, push down, found the retest here, which makes, since we wicked up here, sort of at that level again, that validates this as a zone. So, going back to the trade. Why did I like this? Well, at the beginning of the day, we pushed up very, very strong right at the open and completely broke our prior day high level. That prior day high level being one of our key confluences. So we push up with a lot of strength and a lot of volume over our prior day high level. Then we come back down and retest this zone right here. So what I'm thinking right now is I'm waiting for price to come back to the zone for a potential move up, since we already have shown that strength in the market at the beginning of the day. So what happens is I wait for us to see what happens when we touch this zone and we get this really nice hammer green candle right in the zone with high volume. So this means that we've now found confirmation for our trade and are ready to enter. So I enter once this candle closes on the 2-minute, this very strong candle, confirming our zone is going to hold. Then I put my stop below the candle and target my next zone. Now, as you guys can see, we didn't get up to that zone, which is why it's very important to be trimming at key levels like your previous, like I trimmed about half my position at, or about like a third of my position at that. Why the fuck am I blanking on what this is? The high of the day, at high of day. So I trim half my position at high of day and then get stopped out. I stopped out at break even on the rest down here. So very, very simple, good trade on that. Again, trading is meant to be simple, guys. The more simple you trade, the better you will do. Push up, retest zone, enter, push up. It's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. So now on to our second trade, which was right down here. Now, why did I like this? Well, as you can see, that same prior day high level, we come down and we end up touching it again, but instead of getting really nice price action like over here, we end up sort of chopping in this range for however long this was, like 20 minutes or something. So we end up chopping in this range without getting any real push. We did get this price action, which made it look decent, but a lot of times we won't get a good push up after already pushing anyway. So now why was I looking for shorts in this area? Because when we fail to go higher at a key level that we've already bounced off of, it's likely that we're going to go lower. So what made me exactly want to enter this? Well, first of all, we created a bull flag sort of with it. We kind of already went over that, but the key is right here. The key is when we get under the 9 and the 13 EMA. Those are my key EMAs that I always am watching for micro support and resistance, and also something to use as a trailing stop. And it's just generally, if we're above it, I'm more bullish. If we're below it, I'm more bearish. So we get this really nice kind of sell-off candle here on higher volume. Then we come up and retest the EMAs, wick. After seeing all that, I'm ready to enter. I'm ready to go. Put my stop near the highs and target my lower zone. And then obviously we didn't quite get down to our lower zone completely, but I am always trimming on the way down, always managing my risk, always making sure to take profits, because if you're trying to enter here and then won't close it out unless you get your exact TP, that's going to be really frustrating. It will tilt you because a lot of times you'll get halfway and then it'll go back up. So that's pretty much going to wrap it up for the video. I hope it had a piece or two of value in it. And one thing I really want you guys to be taking away is that you don't need to be listening to people who try and teach you things that are really complicated, try and getting clicks by making trading super complicated. Guys, all you really need are some good key areas, some good knowledge of price action, and you're going to get a lot better. 6 months ago, I was not getting the results I am now because I was trying to overcomplicate things. So I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. That's going to wrap it up.